This one says the sum of two consecutive even numbers is 54. So if you want an even number, well, we're first going to start with the first number. Then the next number that we get is going to be 2 bigger than the first one. So for example, we would have 6, and then our next number would be 8, which is 2 bigger than 6. So we're going to have x and x plus 2. All of this is equal to 54. You could also write this as 2x plus 2. So let's do that. So we've added the two x's together to get 2x, and then we have our ones piece, or our numbers piece, which is 2. Now our goal is to try and figure out what the two numbers are. So we have to solve for x, and then we have to figure out what the next one is. So first, by solving for x, we're going to subtract 2 from both sides, making sure our equation remains balanced. We're left with 2x on this side and 52 over here. To solve for x, we have to divide by 2. And x is equal to 26. Now this is our first number. The next number in our sequence is 28. Right? We have two even numbers, two consecutive even numbers. So we've got 26, and then the next one is 28. So these are our two numbers.